guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I am going to be growing a plant, hopefully. Not all in one day, but I picked this up at the store. It's like little basil seeds that you get in the growing medium with the little bucket. So I want to try this out. Sometimes these work for me and sometimes they don't. So hopefully it does, because it'd be nice to have some fresh basil just in the kitchen growing for whenever I want it. So yeah, I'm gonna get the little plant unwrapped and the warm water that we need, and basically just plant it and then just check in. Hopefully in a few days we'll have little sprouts and grow into a nice big plant for the video. So I thought that'd be fun. It's something I'm doing and wanted to bring you guys along with. So yeah, basically let's get planting. Okay, so the instructions are to place the growing medium pellets in a large bowl, add 3/4 cup of warm water, fluff the growing medium with a fork, add more water if needed, pour 3/4 of the growing medium into the container, carefully open the seed packet, and sprinkle seeds evenly on the growing medium. Cover with the remainder of the growing medium, water, place in a sunny location, use a fine mist or watering can to keep growing medium moist, and standard plant fertilizer when your seedlings are 2 to 3 inches tall. I really like the words growth medium, but we're just gonna open that up, and inside, oh, there's like no, it's just straight up little pellets in the seed packets inside. So, okay, I'm gonna set up, this is my large bowl. And this is my warm water. I've already measured 3/4 cup. So we're going to place the 2 pellets in the large bowl. Oh, there's 3 pellets. They're just kind of like compacted dried dirt, I guess. Yeah. Doesn't really smell like anything. And then we are going to just basically pour in the water, I think. Oh, that's cool. Look at them grow. It's kind of like when you do the straw and you put the water on it with the straw holder, and then it just like grows and expands. That's kind of cool and really weird and slightly disturbing all at once. But it's like sucking up the water from below. I feel like I don't even need to fluff it. And I might need more water than this. I don't know, that's so weird. Okay, cool. We have a fork, we're gonna fluff. They're still really dry and breaking apart. I'm gonna grab a little bit more water. Okay, we're back with more water, and we're just going to, we've already used the allotted amount, so at this point I don't know how much is too much. Still crumbly, but it's really wet at the bottom, so hopefully. There we go, I think that looks good. It's still kind of like crumbly, but not, you know, not totally mud, but not really dry either. So I think that looks good. All right, 3/4 of it back in the bucket. There's no hole in the bucket, so that's a sticker. There's no hole. So when I water it, I just have to be really careful, I guess. Like I said, my track record with these type of plant things is okay, but it's not stellar, so I do make every effort to read the instructions and follow them, because as much as I desperately want to be a fantastic gardener, plants don't really like me. But my roses, if you saw my previous rose video where I bought them and then I meant to transplant them, and I didn't until they were like dying, so I was like transplanting them, trying to bring them back to life. They're doing great. If you haven't seen the video, I will post it above, but that was like such a win. They're huge. They're like this big now. They're fantastic, and I like feel very proud of myself every time I water them. So those did work. And I also at the same time planted little rose flowers from seeds, and the ones I bought of the roses weren't that big. They were like that big when I planted them. And now they're these huge big plants. And the ones I watered from seeds grew up to that size pretty quickly. But they're still that size. Like they're not growing. So I'm not quite sure what's up with that, but they're still, I mean, they're a little bit bigger. They're like that big, but they're certainly not the big rose bushes of mini roses that the other two turned into. So I'm not quite sure what I did wrong. I grew them from seeds. I love them. I water them. I put them in the window and they're just like, no, we're gonna stay this size. So there's that. So I think this is 3/4 of the amount. So we're going to put that here. And then we are going to put in our seed packet, which is, open the seed packet, sprinkle seeds evenly on the growing medium. So we have organic basil, Ocimum basilicum, something like that, but this is what it looks like. Check out these little seeds. I've never seen a basil seed. I've seen basil plants, but not like seeds, so they look like little poppy seeds. Can I open these? Come out. Need all the ones I can get. Get out of there. All right, one can stay, just one. This is what they look like, little poppy seed, almost. Oops, not in frame, there we go. So super tiny. So I'm just going to kind of drop these, sprinkle them around, I guess. They're too dark, I can't see where they're landing. I'm just guessing that I'm kind of spreading these evenly out. I have no idea where they're landing. It's dark against dark. But there's a lot of them. Hopefully some of them take root. All right, and we will put the rest of our growth medium, because apparently it's not soil. I don't know, it probably is. It looks like dirt. Over the top. Here we go. Just kind of looks like that. Just make sure I got it right. Water. So we have to put more water in there and place in a sunny location. It's a little overcast today, but I'm gonna count it as sunny. And yeah, I guess this is it. And hopefully we will get adorable little seedlings sprouting in the next couple days or weeks. I'm not quite sure which, but yeah, I'll check back in when we've got them. Day 1, so far, nothing. Day 3, so far, nothing. I knew there wouldn't be, but you know, just keeping track, just in case. But no, nothing. Do you see that? That is a little leaf down in the hole in the dirt, but it is breaking through. We have life. These things are growing. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. So yesterday there were just these tiny little things kind of under the dirt that I had to look for, but they are officially sprouting up. This is day 7. That's a lot of movement in one day. That's exciting. They're like so cute and green. This can be a great plant. The only thing I'm like worried about is they're both very much on the outside and there's nothing in the center. Somewhere they're gonna get crowded, but I don't know, looking pretty good. Oh my god, you guys, look. Same day, day 7, but I had 2 this morning and now I have 4 little sprouts sticking out of the ground. This is going super fast. I mean, yeah, they're really, really tiny, but considering they looked like poppy seeds 7 days ago and this morning there were only 2 leaves, this is awesome. It's late afternoon on day 8. Look at these happy little guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that I am counting, which is definitely an improvement over the 4 of yesterday. They're going so fast. This is so exciting. Insert video montage of the little plants growing. Basically, I just film them every single day from what I tried to get the same angle. But look, you can like literally see them sprouting before your eyes. They're so cool. But yeah, I had so much fun with watching this little plant grow because basically everything dies. You can see my little rose plant off to the right there, and I did grow some cilantro off to the left, which ended up growing so much faster than the basil. I kind of wish I had filmed that one. But yeah, look how great these are going. Clearly, I stopped listing off every single day because that would get annoying super fast, but we are about 2.5 weeks in after the previous sprout, so about 3 weeks in at this point, and you can really start to see the leaves growing and blooming, and yeah, basically just totally taking off and starting to grow above the edge of the container. So I would water these twice a week, basically just fill the tub up full of water, let all the air bubbles go, and then just turn it upside down and let the excess water drain out since there was no hole in the bottom of the little pot. So if you're wondering how I watered them with no hole in the bottom of the plant bucket, that's basically how I did it. If you want to try it yourself, that's what worked for me. Hopefully it works for you. And here we are about a month in, and the cutest little basil plant on the windowsill. It's awesome. All right, so we are about a month into the growing, and I wanted to show you what we ended up with. It worked. It totally worked. I grew this from seedlings. I'm so impressed. This doesn't always work, like I said. For me, anyway, I have a lot of issues with plants. But these are like awesome real life little basil leaves. These right here, they were my first little sprouts. You can see the 2 initial sprouts, leaves that come up that kind of open and the plant blooms from are still right here. That's these 2 little, oh you can't even see, these 2 little weird shaped leaves down here that are on everyone. There's one on the other side too. So you can see kind of down there. So that's on every stalk, and those are the little shoots that open and then the plant comes out from there. But these are like actual basil leaf size. These like 2 of them are ready to go. These little guys are like medium, they're still growing. But yeah, this is super cool because, you know, my plants don't always live. So I'm really excited that these worked out and they're still growing. These are kind of new shoots right here. And then I've got a couple down below that you can't really see. So I'm expecting this to be a big, beautiful plant, and I'm super excited for it, and I'm really glad it worked, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. So yeah, thanks for following along on this journey with me. I hope to see you soon. If you like the video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and maybe I'll do some more of them like this in the future. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.